Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of these AUVON tense and powered muscle stimulator. I mean, I don't have it in the box anymore, but this is what you get. By the way, that's the box and that's the model type TU2224-A. It's one of their advanced units. They have also a basic device which is very similar, but this is a little bit more comfortable, has more options, and I really like it. And this is what you get. You get 3 packs of these pads, muscle stimulating pads. You get 2 of these large pads, you get 4 of these intermediate size pads, and also 4 of these smaller size pads. So plenty of them to use them everywhere, and the pads are sticking really nicely. You don't even have to shave your arms if you have some hair. I've already tested that and it works really nicely. Just make sure that you have your skin clean and no sweating, no oily skin or so. You get even this belt holder and the user manual, which is really important to read because there are also some limitations, because there are a couple of different areas in your body where you shouldn't use such a tense device, and also some situations where you shouldn't, or when you shouldn't use that. It's important to read it. It's not too large but still detailed enough. What you also get is this charging cable. It's standard USB-C, so you can use any standard USB-C charging cable, and you get 2 of these extension cords which you can plug into the tense device, and on the other side you get 2 of these pins or plugs which you can use on your pads. Really easy to do. And here's the core device, really easy to use. We just started with a long press, and you can see it has also nice background illumination. Whenever you press a button, it starts the background illumination for a certain time, and then you can choose the different areas. What's important to know here, we have 4 tense programs and 2 ENS programs, so 24 in total. When we use the arrow to the right side, we can switch through the different areas, these 6 areas. We start here with the first tense area, second tense area, third tense area, fourth tense area. You can see what area it is, and then we switch to the first EMS area and then the second EMS area. So these areas are for muscle stimulations, and these 4 areas are more for pain relief. Very easy to see, and as soon as you have found the right area of treatment, you can adjust the program here. You have always 4 programs within one area, and you can adjust it with this arrow up and down. You can see now we are on the second program, then we go to third program, then we are going to fourth program and up again. And when we want to move to the next area, we have to use the arrow to the side again. After you have been using this for the first time, you will never need the instructions manual again. It's so good, self-explaining. What we also have is this timer. It starts with 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then we have also a continuous mode where it would run the whole time till the very end of the battery, which is basically 40 hours with one charge. That's pretty impressive. And we have also a pause function. When we press the center button here, it goes into pause. You can see that here, and then we can resume working with pushing again, but it will reduce the power to 0, so we have to increase the power again. Yeah, regarding the power, this is also one of the main features here, that we have a dual channel tense unit here. You can see we have 2 exits here, so you can hook it up here. One of the cables you can hook up here, one of the cables you can hook up here, so you can apply up to 4 different pads and treat 2 different areas. The treatment will be with the same program, but you can apply different strengths. You can see that on the side. We can increase and decrease here. You can see this on the left side. We are increasing now the power Can see that here, and on the right side we have same thing, and you can see the indicator level here on the right side. One thing also important to know is that when we are charging it, we cannot use the TENS unit at the same time. It goes automatically into the charging mode. But the battery is really huge inside, and it provides 40 hours of uninterrupted usage time, so there shouldn't be any problem to use that during the day if you have it charged properly before. So it's definitely not a scam, it's a real working product. Of course, it's not an overnight miracle, but it can definitely help. I've been using it for my lower back pain, and it already helped me a lot. So I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.